I was traveling in Europe in '94 after I graduated from my science degree, and I had applied to law school, wrote the LSAT, and as I was in Europe, I called home on Mother's Day, and David answered the phone, and he said, "You've been accepted to law school," and I said, "What? Well, great, that's wonderful, but I don't know what I'm going to do." And he goes, "Oh, you're going. I signed your name for you, and I've accepted on your behalf, so you're going to law school in September. That's awesome." And I said, "What are you doing?" And he goes, "Oh, no, it's done. You're in. You're good. Enjoy the rest of your trip." So only he could get away with that.
There's an old adage, if you want something done, ask a busy person. And David is a very busy person, and he gets things done.
The epitome of if you've got a focus and a drive, you can accomplish anything.
He's extremely dedicated. It doesn't matter what he's working on, if it's his wine, if it's his master's, if it's a case that he's working on, he gives 110%.
David doesn't do anything with half measure.
When he finds a passion, he learns everything there is to know about it.
Whether it's the viticulture course or the current master's program that he's working at Osgoode Hall, a B or a B plus or an A minus, that's not good enough for David. He wants to be, and often is, the top of his class.
David was the president of the BC branch of the Canadian Bar Association. He's in the executive of the Lawyers Assistance Program. He's been president of the TRU Foundation. He's always taken a leadership role.
While he's taking his Masters of Law course, he's teaching a first-year law course.
He's just so passionate when he tells his stories about his classes, and this happened today, and this student did this, and it's just so much fun.
You know, he's a role model and mentor for many of his students.
He sets an example. That's why he's a Queen's Counsel. He's recognized for this kind of work that he's done within his profession and within his community.
He was the chairman of the BC branch of the Canadian Bar Association. He's written articles, blogs, on it goes. His list of accomplishments are really quite significant, all the while managing a professional practice.
And making his community around him better. He's not just practicing law.
And I love watching it because he drives me to want to do more all the time.
He's a local guy who's done very, very well for himself. That's leadership.
It's no surprise to me at all that he's being recognized and that this award is going to him because he truly is deserving.